they went from outside in.
You'd be surprised. Sometimes if you ask for a change,
costs more to change it than it does what you say.
Exactly.
Yeah, it would be cheaper to get it rolled into small spools than just to buy the whole roll.
So I guess for future reference, leave the glove in there, but just make sure it's an XL.
Right.
And as tight as those fit, that might be an XL already.
In general, the installer's gonna have bigger hands.
Yeah.
Usually.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do about off?
Yeah, I know it.
Now, one thing that would be a little bit different is, you know, the clear end of that splice body.
Yeah.
I love that. That's nice. So you can line it up.
Yeah. Actually, what'd you say?
The clear end of the silicon body.
Yeah.
You guys have that little ring that's clear.
Yeah. Yeah. You can see it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And even though that blue stuff is like that red stuff, it ain't nowhere near.
Messy.
Well, you know how that red stuff's sticky. And this has got a little stick to it, but it's not nowhere near like that red crap. Tell you, I regretted the other day making fun of Daryl. I mean that wide black tape. When he's talking about when he had that Charlie horse.
Oh.
I mowed the whole yard yesterday. Got laying on the couch, went to get up.
It hurt.
One hit me from my crotch down to my darn kneecap.
What's gonna work? Teamwork.
Pickle juice. I like pickle juice. Made a mistake and bought Nikki and Jeannie some last night. Well, they were at the grocery store. Bought a jar of pickles. I went in there looking. I got a jar full of pickles. Ain't got no juice in it.
My wife drinks it. She's this weird addiction to vinegar.
Takes the cramps away. The salt. Electrolytes.
She doesn't get cramps. She just has high blood pressure.
And then she's gonna drink something extremely salty.
It doesn't make sense.
She doesn't really. She did when she was a kid because she drank it all the time.
I mean, I like it. Don't get me wrong. I just don't make a habit of drinking it every day. But my daughters will. I think they do it as a reason. Well, if we go ahead and drink all the juice, it leaves the pickles. Now we got to hurry up and eat the pickles so they don't go bang. Wait. Well, I'm glad you caught me. I got it halfway and I'm like, oh crap.
I don't think you can pull it back after you get it on there.
Nope. Well, once I get it, if I got it down about right there, I realize I'll be all right. But I don't want to get the full.
Yeah. Yes.
grease on the outside of it, but it ain't nearly
Nope.
having that whole tube of silicone.
I kind of like that.